Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Oplex Hair is probably one of the most sought-after hair care solutions on the market, promising to transform your locks from dull and damaged to vibrant and strong. If you're tired of battling frizz, breakage, or a lack of shine, this shampoo and conditioner set might just be the miracle you've been searching for, offering a salon-quality experience right in your own home and delivering noticeable results that will leave you feeling confident and beautiful. Number 5. LUSETTA Bond Repair Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Discover the ultimate solution for chemically damaged hair. Our advanced formula works to repair and revitalize, bringing life back to your locks. Experience unparalleled deep moisture that smooths away frizz. Say goodbye to unruly hair and hello to silky smooth strands. Watch as your hair transforms with incredible shine. It reflects light beautifully, giving you a healthy, radiant look. Our unique blend strengthens the very structure of your hair. It's fortified from within, making it more resilient than ever. Enriched with the natural goodness of rosemary and marula oils. These powerful ingredients nourish and protect your hair. Get more of what you love with our convenient 2 by 16.9 ounce set. Enjoy long-lasting benefits and exceptional value. What we like. This set is designed for hair that has undergone chemical treatments. It provides deep moisture to combat frizz and enhance shine. If your hair is chemically damaged and you're looking for intense hydration and strengthening, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is amazing. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. I love how this set smells. It has a light and refreshing scent that isn't overpowering. My hair has never felt so healthy and strong since using this Oplex set. It has really helped to reduce breakage and split ends. Number 4. ECO Amenities Green Tea Conditioning Shampoo. Discover the refreshing power of ECO Amenities. Our unique formula cleanses and conditions for soft, manageable hair. Perfect for on the go, these travel-sized bottles offer convenience without compromise. Enjoy a luxurious experience wherever you are. Awaken your senses with the delightful green tea fragrance. It leaves your hair smelling fresh and revitalized all day long. Simplify your routine with our effective 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It cleanses thoroughly while providing essential moisture. This generous pack ensures you're always stocked up. It's an economical choice for hotels, gyms, or personal use. Formulated for all hair types, it gently cleanses and nourishes. Experience healthy-looking hair with every wash. What we like. Ideal for those on the go or for hospitality businesses, this bulk pack offers convenient travel-sized bottles. The refreshing green tea scent provides a pleasant experience. If you need a large quantity of travel-sized shampoo and conditioner, this is an economical and practical option. What people say. The shampoo and conditioner set is a great value for the price. This set leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. I love how this set helps to detangle my hair and reduce frizz. Number 3. OUAI Fine Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Discover the OUAI Fine Shampoo and Conditioner Set, designed to gently cleanse your hair. It's perfect for both women and men seeking a sulfate-free formula. Infused with keratin, marshmallow root, shea butter, and avocado oil, this set nourishes your strands. Experience the benefits of these rich, natural ingredients. We've excluded parabens and phthalates from our formula. Enjoy a clean and effective hair care experience without unnecessary additives. This shampoo and conditioner duo is suitable for all hair types. It provides essential moisture and strength without weighing your hair down. Each bottle contains 10 fluid ounces, offering a generous supply for your hair care routine. Enjoy long-lasting results with this value-packed set. Achieve fuller, healthier-looking hair with regular use. It leaves your hair feeling soft, manageable, and revitalized. What we like. Specifically formulated for fine hair, this set gently cleanses without stripping essential moisture. It's free from harsh sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, making it a clean choice. If you have fine hair and are seeking a gentle, nourishing, and clean formula, this set is an excellent option. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is amazing. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. I love how this set smells. it has a light and refreshing scent that isn't overpowering. My hair has never felt so healthy and strong since I started using this Oplex set. Number 2. Boldplex 3, 4 and 5 Bond Restore Trio. Discover the ultimate hair transformation with our Bond Restore Trio. This set is designed to deeply nourish and revitalize your locks. Formulated with hydrating proteins, it works to strengthen dry and damaged hair. Say goodbye to breakages and split ends. Experience intense hydration that revitalizes even the driest strands. It leaves your hair feeling soft and manageable. Our powerful formula targets and repairs existing damage. It helps to restore the integrity of your hair from root to tip. Feel good about your hair care. This set is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with ethical beauty standards. This trio offers a complete solution for stronger, healthier-looking hair. It's the perfect gift for yourself or a loved one. What we like. This trio focuses on restoring and strengthening hair bonds, ideal for dry and damaged hair. Its hydrating protein formula tackles breakages and split ends effectively. If you are looking for a comprehensive repair system that is also vegan and cruelty-free, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is amazing. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. I love how this product smells. It has a light and refreshing scent that isn't overpowering. My hair has never looked better since I started using this Oplex set. It's so much smoother and less frizzy. Number 1. OUAI Thick Hair Shampoo. Are you struggling with thick, frizzy hair? OUAI Thick Hair Shampoo is here to help you achieve fuller, more manageable locks. Infused with shea butter, marshmallow root, avocado oil, and keratin, this shampoo deeply moisturizes your strands. It effectively combats frizz, leaving your hair smooth and sleek. Experience a new level of hydration. This powerful formula also works to detangle knots and repair split ends, promoting healthier-looking hair. Enjoy the benefits of a rich, moisturizing clean without harsh sulfates. It's gentle enough for daily use. Get ready to reveal fuller, bouncier hair with every wash. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine. What we like. Designed for thick and frizzy hair, this shampoo deeply moisturizes and helps detangle. It addresses issues like split ends while providing a rich, hydrating experience. If you have thick, unruly hair that needs intense moisture and easier manageability, this product is tailored for your needs. What people say. It has a pleasant scent and leaves hair feeling soft and manageable. This set effectively cleanses the hair without stripping natural oils, leaving it hydrated and healthy looking. The shampoo lathers well and the conditioner provides excellent detangling, making hair easier to style. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.